Before we move on to decorating the sideboard, let me show and tell you a little bit about the process. And I am so glad you're here today to be a part of my fall decorating series. Today's video is in collaboration with Tailored Canvases. When Tailored Canvases reached out to me, I thought, I know exactly what I want. I want the huge farmhouse sign with a barn, our name and our date. But boy, was I wrong when I went on their website. I was so intrigued and amazed at all there was to see. It took me 2 days to make up my mind what I wanted. Now, I will show you here in just a moment what I chose, but first, let me tell you a little bit about Tailored Canvases website and exactly how they shipped the item to me. So I was truly amazed and astonished at how they handled everything. So let me get into that just for a few moments before we get into the video. I just want to say that these canvases would be great for your fall or Christmas or holiday decorations, but I wasn't aware that they had all of this until I went on their website. And just in case you're looking, I will link that below in my description box. And also, there is a discount code. It is Becca15, and I will also put that in my description box. But also, I want to let you know that some of the things that they do, not only are these great gift ideas that you could have shipped if you wanted to get a Christmas gift for a family. How wonderful would that be? And you could have it shipped to their home because these items are so well packed. And also, they're going to send you a proof for your approval. You get to look at it, and then you through your email, and then they're going to go ahead and then ship it to you. I'm going to cover over some of the packing as well. When I received my item, it came in this huge box. So this box is just the sleeve. And then it was also placed in another sleeve box with these little packing strips tightly around it. Protective wrap was also taped around it. So it was very well packed. On the back, you already have the hangers that are included. So guys, for the moment you've all been waiting for, here's what I picked from Tailored Canvases. And I have to say, my husband and I both love it. Now, I'm not going to show you how I'm going to decorate it. This is where it's going to go up on the sideboard, which you haven't even seen yet. So it's going to go above the sideboard, but I'm going to leave all the decorating that I have in mind for it come the upcoming holiday. But when I seen this, I just love the old sleds, and I just have something in mind for the holidays. But guys, let's go ahead and get started in the video. We picked up this dresser off of Facebook Marketplace, and we gave $45 for it. We brought it home, and I had the intentions of cleaning it up, getting the stain off, bleaching it, setting it out in the sun, cleaning it off. But the drawers said I was going to do something different because it had a very thin coat of veneer on it. So change of plans, chalky white paint, and then I'll use a sealing wax to seal that in. So the process was that I used 2 coats of primer on any of the dark parts and 1 coat on the finished parts that was already sanded, like the drawer fronts and the top. And then everything got 2 coats of the chalky white finished paint, and then I put 2 coats of the sealing wax on the top and 1 coat on all of the sides and the drawer fronts. So I went ahead and hung the window up on the wall so you don't have to watch me do that. I also went ahead and decorated up these little picnic baskets. I don't want the video to be too long, but I just added some items there. And then on the other side is the basket that I thrifted, and I added a pumpkin, some greenery, and a burlap coffee sack from Hawaii. I thought would look cute there. So guys, I've got 3 of these from Amazon.com, and I don't know why I picked these colors. They remind me of the fall bushes that turn color out by our driveway, and I'll have to show you that when they change color. But I got 3 of these for $18.99, and I went ahead and I've already fluffed 2, and I'm going to place it in that vase. Let me back up here just a little so you can see it. But you do, when you get them in a package like this, they come all flat and everything. So the main thing is fluffing. Now I want to show you the difference of what it will look like when you rearrange these florals in a pot. Now what I have is I have all of the stems just going straight up from the pot. And that's what it looks like. So let me go ahead and give you a couple of more examples of how you could arrange these florals in this pot. Now guys, this is the floral. Now I put all 3 in there. I like it to look full, and I got this vase from Anthropology, and I fell in love with it when I seen it, and I just had to have it, and I ordered it online. But this is all 3 stems from Amazon.com, and I know this is a very bold color, but this is what I wanted for this particular vase, and I put all 3 stems in there, and as you can see, those stems are all going upward. Now I want to show you what it would look like if you styled them a little differently. Okay guys, this is the second look on that same vase where I just pulled some of the stems down around the vase and fluffed it outward and flattened it just a little at the top So you just sort of have to work with them, but you can see that's entirely a different look. And I really do think I like that one. You'll have to let me know in the comments which one you like, 1, 2, or 3. Now let's go on to the next one. Okay, now you can see that this is a little bit different, and what I did here is I just pulled out most of the stems out to the side, moving the vase all the way around and flattened it a little on the top, that all of them came out at an angle. So there is 3 different ways that you can use your florals in a vase. So again, let me know in the comments which one you like. And I don't know, I think I like the second one better, where the stems were pulled down a little over the vase. So let me go ahead and put that back, and then we'll continue on with decorating my new sideboard. But I just added my lantern. And if you remember, my mantle last year had a couple of bows with these leaves on the ends of the mantle. I wanted to bring those out and reuse them, so they are a topper for my lantern. And I just have a little candle holder that looks like birch wood and a little battery operated candle in there. This is what it looks like so far. Next thing I want to add is, you remember I did a DIY here of my old Kentucky home. So I want to place that there. This basket I got on clearance at Hobby Lobby, and I just added a little green wreath in there with a white pumpkin, a couple of white pumpkins, and that's the pumpkin that I DIY'd. I made, and I got a video for that, and I just added some of those little light colored leaves. And then that cross stitch, that is something that I made many, many years ago. I've always used it during the holidays to cover over biscuits or rolls, and then I'll clean it up and put it back away. But I cross stitched that, I don't know, guys, many, many years ago. But I just thought I would add that. So here it is. So guys, as simple as it may be, I know, I'm just using what I have on hand. So I don't want to go out and buy anything else. So this is how I am decorating my sideboard for fall for right now. I know the wall needs a little bit more, but as I find the stuff, I will add it and I'll let you know. So it does look plain and simple up there, but I'm okay with that for right now.